Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming network and permissions. Make sure your iPhone and Apple TV are on the same Wi-Fi, and AirPlay is enabled on the Apple TV. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon next to Audio Controls. You do this now to create the direct connection that lets video, photos, or your whole display stream to the TV without extra apps or cables. With the Screen Mirroring menu open, tap the Apple TV name you want to use. Your iPhone will attempt to connect. If streaming from apps like Photos or YouTube, tap the AirPlay icon inside the app and pick the Apple TV for just that content. Once connected, make sure volume and aspect ratio are comfortable. You can switch between mirroring and app-specific playback. This step gives you control over audio routes and screen fit, so the content looks and sounds right. To finish, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or disconnect from the AirPlay icon within the playing app. Your iPhone will return to normal use. If the Apple TV asks for an Apple ID or code, sign in or enter the on-screen code shown on the TV to authorize the device. If connection fails, restart both devices or toggle Wi-Fi. That fixes most issues. One key tip: if audio or video lags, reduce network load and try 5 GHz Wi-Fi for a more stable stream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.